Nakakapanghinayang. Kainis. Ayokong gamitin. But my opinion, if you purchasing each one of that's really expensive. Welcome back to my channel. Today video guys, we are doing comparing beauty Christmas bags that you can purchase it in their website Nordstrom.com. So I'm really excited with this one because last year I was trying to purchase this one but it was out of stock when I tried to order. So last week I ended, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and order it because I really wanted to see everything inside. So this is the Lancôme, the beauty Christmas box that only comes out on Christmas. You can actually purchase this one for $79, but before that you have to purchase something first alone and then you can purchase this one. The value of this one is $588, but you can get it for $79. And look at, like, this is skincare right here. I love this skincare right here. And then you have makeup remover, you have the cleanser, I think this one, and then the rest, the makeup in here. So total of this one is $588, and I'm so excited to open this box. I cannot hold myself for it to open this one. This is the other one, the Estee Lauder. They also have my favorite one in here, this serum that I love. I still use this one. And then the eye cream, which is I ran out already with this. And then they do have the makeup color that I like. And they do have like some other skincare here that I have not tried. So this one is the same thing too guys. You have to order something product alone and then you can purchase with this one for only $85, but the value is $615 for all this the product. So let's try opening now. So we're just gonna do it on my bed because it's the closer. Let's start it with Lancôme first. This is the box. It's cute. And then I think I still have this one in my bathroom, but I love this one. This is eye makeup remover, full size too guys. That's the one, makeup. This is really good guys. So if you haven't tried that one, oh my god, you guys gotta try it because they are really good for removing eye makeup. And this one, it's my favorite serum that I use for a long time. Until now I still do, but it's just very expensive. So sometimes I use something else if I run out with this. But this is a very good serum guys. And then this one is the same thing. Ito yung eye cream. Ang ganda nito guys. It's really worth it. This box, it is really worth to purchase. The cream is a soft cream. I have not tried this one, but I'm really excited to try this. And then this one, so you press there and it pops. And this is the lipstick. That's the lipstick color. This is the mascara right there. Haven't tried this one. I think this is the new one. And then this one too. And then of course you have the perfume in there. And then this is the makeup palette. So this is the makeup palette. That's really nice. Look at this. So simple, like very natural. Ang ganda oh. Maganda siya pang everyday look. That's really nice. I like that. So that's the set guys. This one, it's value of $588 and I think it's really worth it. I saw last year a case like this, but this one is a different one. Almost everything is a full size except this one. This is the small one. So let's check the Estee Lauder. So this one guys is the Estee Lauder for 2023 holiday skincare and makeup travel sizes. Actually, this is not really travel size because I kinda, you know, it looks good size from the picture. So, ito kasi, I picked this color. I think this is the warm color because there's two that you guys can choose, cool and warm. So, this is my favorite one. Is the Night Repair Serum. And this is eye cream that I use and I ran out. And this one, I have not tried this one yet. I think it's a Youth Power Cream. Hindi ko na naman matanggal. Hold on guys. Ang hirap tanggalin. Ayan. So, ito, I haven't tried this one guys. But, I am excited to try it. Just this one guys, they're very, very expensive. And this one too is a cleansing for evening. Ang ganda niya. Gustong-gusto ko pa naman yung mga skincare guys. Kasi ito is the eye makeup remover. Parang yun sa may Lancôme. And it's full size. Hindi ako nakaka-try ng eye remover from Estee Lauder. So this can be my first time using this one. This one is the lip gloss. Ang ganda ng kulay niya guys. Oh. It's like light pink. Tapos ito is the darker. Diba? Ang ganda. So, ayan siya. Ang ganda. Ay, hand cream. Ayan siya, hand cream. And then, ay, mascara. I have this before. I love this. And then, ayan. Ayan siya. Ay, ang ganda. Ano you guys, oh, ang ganda ng kulay. This is really nice color. It's so worth it to get this one. So this is the one guys. It's from Estee Lauder. That's everything. And also the Lancôme. Diba? Ang ganda. So ayan guys, pinakita ko sa inyo the Estee Lauder. The case, this is a velvet travel bag or makeup bag. This is super, super nice. That's everything right there. Just for the skincare, honestly, it's already worth it. And then you have the dark one and then the light lip gloss. And then also the makeup remover, the cleanser. Oh my god, this is really worth it. $615 worth and you can only get it for $85. Ang ganda ng ng lipstick. Look at the design of this lipstick. Nakakapanghinayang gamitin. Tingnan natin tong isa. Ito din oh. Kakainis. Ayaw kong gamitin. Ayaw ko siyang gamitin guys. Tignan nyo, oh, ang ganda. Look at that lipstick. It's super nice. Look at the design. Ang ganda. Ayaw kong gamitin. Katapos guys, ayan, mascara. Naubos na yung ganito ko. And then, of course, yung holiday eyeshadow nila. Ang ganda. Diba? Ang ganda. Ito naman, yung Lancôme. Yung bag niya is like a metallic. It's like a rose design. Ayan guys. Magaganda guys. Honestly, they're all full size except this one. But the rest of them guys, they're all full size. So it's really, really worth it your money. This is like $5.88 the value, but you're only paying for like $79 and you have to buy something else before you can get this one. But the rest of this one, I actually use like this skincare. I have used this one. This is really good skincare. So the only thing that I don't like in this one is the case. I don't really like, this is like a metallic one. But it's not, I don't know. I don't like the texture. Mas gusto ko yung Estee Lauder kesa dito. Kasi ito guys, parang matigas siya. Tsaka malaki. Mas maganda yung isa. Remember guys, I was showing you guys this one. This one is pretty cool. You press underneath and then ta-da! And then that. Ayan ang kulay niya, guys. Diba ang ganda? The eyeshadow, guys. Ang ganda ng eyeshadow. Ng kulay niya, ang ganda. Ayan, oh. It's like natural color, guys. Overall, guys, what my opinion for those two are, I really, really like the Estee Lauder. The bag, it's super nice. It's soft, it's velvet. It's a right size. I think that's the only thing that I would say I like more the Estee Lauder. But the product inside, I love both of them. They actually really worth of your money because if you're purchasing each one of that, that's really expensive. And it only comes out for like holiday, like Christmas. I think I will purchase again like one more set, one of each one, because the skincare is so expensive and I use that a lot. Okay guys, that's it. That's my opinion for both 2023 Christmas beauty bags from Lancôme and also Estee Lauder. Check it out their website guys. So if you guys want to read it for yourself, what inside, it's really worth it because those are very expensive. It's a good gift for other people like your family and friends. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching my video and I hope I see you guys again for my next video reviewing products and other stuff. So see you guys later. Bye.
I'm conquering this fear. I'm lost and